Keep it simple, screen printer. Today we're going to look at the GLISTEN method of coating screens. Now the GLISTEN method is going to put down a heavier deposit, yet still giving us uniformity. And the principle behind this is we're going to be doing multiple coats. And we will start like we normally do. We'll start from the substrate side. Now this is a 230 mesh screen on here. So we're going to use the thin side of our scoop coater. We've got some bubbles in there. Let's stop that. We'll come back out splice that. I do not want them seeing the bubbles in emulsion. Yes. So we're going to use the thin edge of our scoop coater. And the principle behind the GLISTEN method is we're going to apply multiple thin layers. We're going to center our scoop coater. It's very important that we do get centered. We're going to tip forward till the black edges touch and the emulsion runs to edge, at which point we're then going to tilt back and come up, tilt all the way back, let the emulsion run into the scoop coater and scrape off, and we're going to come down and we're going to tilt forward, emulsion runs to both sides, and we're going to tilt back so that we're only spreading a thin deposit. Now, what this is doing is we're applying multiple thin layers of emulsion through the mesh. So it's going to force out any air bubbles, and that giving us a uniform thickness and a durable center. I'll tilt forward again, tilt back. Great. Now, generally, 3 and 2 or 3 and 3. So we applied 3 coats here. Now we can look to the inside. And the inside, we can see what we're looking for is a pond. We are not quite there yet. So we will apply another coat. Now, the key to the GLISTEN method is going to be similar to the keys that we use in standard coating. If we vary our speeds, we're going to vary our thickness emulsion. The slower we go, the thicker the coat emulsion we go. The less pressure we apply, the thicker the emulsion. So in order to have consistency, we do want to try to maintain a consistent speed and a consistent pressure. So we will tilt forward again, wait till the emulsion comes to both sides. We will tilt back. And scrape off. And we will look at the inside, and now we're beginning to look like a pond, or the GLISTEN method. Also, some people call it shine. So now we will flip this around, and we will come to the inside. We will get centered, lined up. We'll tilt forward, wait till the emulsion runs to both edges of both the black caps. And when it's there, we will tilt back and come up. And generally, just 2 coats on the inside. And we'll tilt, get centered, wait till the emulsion runs, tilt back. Hear that nice whistle. I got plenty of pressure on here. Now we have the GLISTEN method, and if you look at it, it's glistening like a pond, also sometimes referred to as the shine. As I said, by applying the emulsion in thin, multiple layers, we're able to eliminate air bubbles. We're also able to get a more uniform thickness of our stencil on there. So we're able to get a heavier EOM, which is emulsion over mesh. We'll cover that in future episodes on there, but a thicker stencil, more uniform stencil, no air bubbles is going to allow us to expose a half-tone screen and actually print a thicker ink deposit, get better coverage while still maintaining resolution. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like or a share, and as always, thanks for watching.